Binibilang ang oras, sinusukat ang layo, umaasang
Meryl at Jean, kung kayo nagmamahalan, hindi po dahil napakagaling ninyo, hindi po. No? Sabi ni St. Paul, tayo ay may kakayahan magmahalan dahil tayo ay minahal ng Panginoon.
Thank you.
Basahin mo, basahin mo.
Pinili hanggang ngayon, di man.
Babe, this is it. As we start this journey, I have planned a 3-part gift for you. The first gift which you've been telling me for a very long time is already in your possession.
Sana magamit natin ito sa bawat ride sa travel na gagawin natin in the future. I love you. Sana magustuhan mo ito. Mahal ko pero mas mahal kita.
Babe, ipapangako ko sa'yo na gabi-gabi, kakamutin ko yung tenga at ulo mo para makatulog ka kagad. At paglulutuan ka ng almusal bago pumasok ng opisina. At sasamahan na kita sa bawat rides ng buhay mo. I love you. See you later.
Para sa simbahan, whenever there is a marriage like this, sacramental at that, no? Pag-iisang dibdib ni babae at saka si lalaki, it is being respected, not because galing po sa ating konstitusyon, galing sa Senado, hindi po, no? Galing sa simbahan, galing sa Diyos, ang may-ari ito. Kaya nga, ang magagawa po natin ay to give due respect to this.
This gift may be small but surely last the night and make this night the best ride of your life.
Magkakapigil pa, ikaw lang at walang iba. Ewan ko ba?
Walk lang!
Thank you, babe. Love you.
Trust in the Lord and trust in His time.
Meryl, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Oy!
It is not good for man to be alone. So, ano nangyari po? Sinabi ng Panginoon, then I will make him or her a suitable partner. So, ibig sabihin na ang kasal, sacrament itself, is not man-made. This is heaven-made.
Thank you, Lord. Binigay niyo po si Jean sa akin na makasama ko habang buhay. Ipapangako ko na aalagaan, mamahalin ko siya habang buhay. Salamat po, Lord.
It started.
Jean Anthony, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
like you do it over and over anew. Seen and known. It started,
Kung si Kristo ay ibinigay niya ang kanyang sarili, binigay lahat para sa atin, ang ating couple dito, no, si Jean at saka si Meryl, they are to be mirrors ng pagmamahal ni Kristo sa ating lahat. No? So, ibig sabihin that, hey, tayong ang mga kinakasal natin di sakramento, you become now the living symbol, the living witnesses of the love of Christ. No?
I still don't believe it. I couldn't see it for someone to see me like you do it over and over anew. Say that no.
Jean, you may now kiss the bride. Hee-hee.